Hello, welcome sa Civil Engineering Sample Problem about surveying. So tara at isolve na natin ng ating sample problem for today. The cross-section notes of the ground surface at station 1 plus 200 of a road survey shows that the ground is sloping at a 10% grade downward to the right. The elevation of the ground along the center line of the proposed road at this station is 150 meters and that of the finished subgrade is 152 meters. Width of the subgrade is 7 meters with side slopes of 1.5:1. Question A. Compute the distance of the right slope stake from the center of the road. Question B. Compute the distance of the left slope stake from the center of the road. And question C, compute the difference in elevation of the right slope stake at the left slope stake and the left slope stake. Ayan. Okay? So ito yung ating illustration. As you can see, meron tayo at station 1,200. Ito daw yung nangyari. Paano ba na-i-draw yan? So, sabi, shows that the ground is sloping at 10% grade downward to the right. So, from this point, ayan, so 10% yung slope niyan downward to the right. Ayan, tapos sabi, the elevation of the ground along the center line of the proposed road at this station is 150 meters. So, yung centered line daw niya, ito, yung elevation nito is 150 meters and that of the finished subgrade natin ay 152 dito. So yung finished subgrade na yan, ito yung elevation natin, 152 yan meters yung kanyang elevation. Tapos ang width ng ating subgrade ay 7. So from center line, half lang yan, 3.5 left and right. And then yung side slope natin na 1.5:1. So ibig sabihin lang yan, itong ating x ay 1.5 and then yung y natin is 1. So kung makita nyo dito sa ating slope, ayan, ito ay 1.5 and then yung ating slope ay or yung ating 1 ay na dito sa y. Okay? So both side dyan. Okay? And then for question A, compute natin yung compute the distance of the right slope stake from the center of the road. So ito. So from this point, ano daw length nito? So right side, ito. So gaano kahaba yan? Unknown. Itong value na to. So as you can see dito sa ating diagram, gagamit lang naman tayo dyan ng mga triangles. Nakita naman, so pag pinroject nyo ito, so from itong slope na to, given yan, 10%, makabuo tayo dyan ng triangle. So now, meron tayong bigger triangle dito, ito. So, itong length na to, makikita nyo dyan, ito, given to eh. Ano? So, ayan. So, magiging plan natin, kunin natin yan. In terms dito, makuha natin yung equation dito. And then, dito sa baba, ayan naman, meron naman sa taas. Okay. So, first is, let's solve yung ating first question. So, i-complete muna natin yung mga value ng ating illustration. Okay, so from this side, sa left side or right side, ayan, dito. So, magiging value nito, ito, tsaka ayan. So, ipa-plus lang natin yan. As you can see, 3.5 to. Tapos ito, galing yan sa slope. Ayan, 1.5 yan, yung x value, multiplied by the height nung nasa right side. So, ibig sabihin, ito palang value pala nito is 3.5 plus yung 1.5 ng HR natin. And then, dito naman, sa baba, as you can see, ito, meron tayong 2 meters dyan, and then yung height natin na to, pwedeng i-minus na lang natin yan, HR minus 2, di ba? Ibig sabihin, ito ay HR minus 2. And then, given naman to, ito yung ating slope, ito ay 10%. Linawan na lang natin. Ayan, ito ay 10% slope. So, makakuha na natin yung value kasi ito, makukuha natin same yung ating unknown HR, then may given tayo na slope. So, let's solve sa ating question A. Yung ating distance of the right slope stake from the center of the road. Ayan. So, kunin natin to. Yung ratio ay na proportion lang naman yan. So, meron tayong HR minus 2 over yung ating 3.5 plus 1.5 H sub R equals yung ating slope. Yung ating slope ay 10%. So, convert lang natin tong 10% into a decimal. So, magiging 10 over 100 na lang. Equals 0.10. Therefore, meron tayong HR minus 2 over yung ating 3.5 plus 1.5 H sub R equals 0.10. Therefore, H sub R is equal to, so solve natin, x minus 2 over 3.5 plus 1.5 ng ating x equals 0.1. Shift calc. Then, meron tayong H sub R na 2.765. 2.765 meters. Ayan. So, store natin sa A since mahaba yung value niya. So, shift, store A. Ayan. Check natin, recall. Okay. Ayun na, save na. Then, after that, hindi naman yan yung kinocompute kasi ito ay height. Diba? HR eh. Ang kinocompute is distance of the right slope stake from the center. So, from this point to this point. E di isa-substitute lang natin siya dito. Okay? Therefore, yung ating distance equal to yung ating 3.5 plus 1.5 H sub R equal to, so 3.5 plus 1.5 ng A natin ay 7.647. 7.647 meters, and this will be our final answer. Okay? So, malinaw yan. Kung height ang tinatanong, di nakuha na natin. Ito. Ang tinatanong is distance from the center to the right slope stake. So, next naman is from the center naman to the left. So, ganun pa rin. Hanap lang din tayo ng triangle. This time, ito namang triangle na to yung nabubuo. Ayan. So, ganun pa rin yung length nito and then yung height na ito. So, using pa rin yung slope na binigay. So, ganun lang yan. So, very tricky lang yan dito sa paglalagay nyo ng slope. Kung mali yung pagsulat nyo dito, ibig sabihin, mali na. So, and then, syempre, yung knowledge nyo dyan sa slope. Okay. So, for question B, ating distance of left slope stake from the center of the road. Ayan. So, this triangle, kunin natin. So, kompletuhin natin dito yung value. So, anong magiging distance niyan? So, meron tayo dyang height ng left side natin. And then, meron tayong 2 meters, di ba? So, pwede tayong 2 meters minus H sub L. Meron tayo dyan 2 meters minus H sub L. Okay? So, ito naman ay almost the same lang din dito. So, palitan lang natin ng 3.5 plus 1.5 H sub L. Kanina is H sub R, H sub L naman tayo. Okay? So, let's solve. Meron tayong 2 minus h sub L over yung ating 3.5 plus 1.5 h sub L equals yung ating slope na 0.1. So, hindi ko na i-convert uli into 10 over 100 kasi na-solve na natin dito. So, directly lalagay ko na lang na 0.10 yan. So, therefore, meron tayong h sub L equals meron tayong 2 minus x over 3.5 plus 1.5 x equals yung ating 0.1. Ayan, meron tayong 1.435 meters. 1.435 meters. So, ito na ba yung sagot? Hindi pa. Ima-minus pa natin yan or ipa-plus. Or isa-substitute. Ano? So, hindi pa kasi height yan eh. Ang tinatanong is from left stoke, distance ang tinatanong. So, dito, papunta dyan. So, ito lang din yun. So, substitution lang. So, distance is equal to 3.5 plus 1.5 h sub L equals. So, ito, store natin sa B. So, dahil mahaba-haba. Ayan. Shift store B. Okay. Then, 3.5 plus 1.5, recall nung ating B. So, meron tayong 5.652 meters. 652 meters. And, this will be our final answer. So, ganun lang siya. And then, last question. Yung ating difference in elevation ng right, tsaka left. So, magiging, ito yan, kung tutuusin. So, ano bang difference nilang dalawa? So, ngayon, kunin muna natin yung magiging elevation nito tsaka elevation yan. So, kunin muna natin yung elevation ng left side. So, from this point tayo, 152. As you can see, elevation yan ay 152. Ayan, parang i-add lang natin or ma-minus itong h sub L kasi pababa. So, minus tayo. Punta na tayo dito. And then, dito naman sa kabila, 152. Ganun din, pababa. So, magma-minus lang din ulit tayo. So, meron na tayong h sub L tsaka h sub R, which is nakastore naman yan sa A and B. So, magiging easy na lang yung ating calculation. So, let's solve for C, yung difference in elevation. Ayan. So, unahin muna natin yung elevation at left stoke. So, meron tayo dyan, given, 152 daw, 152, yung elevation ng ating finish subgrade. So, minus lang natin si H sub L na nandito sa B. Ito pala, ito. So, hindi yan ha, ito. So, meron tayong 152 meters, minus natin si B, equals. So, 152 minus yung B natin. Ayan. So, meron tayong elevation at the left is 150.565 meters. Store natin sa C kasi mahaba yung value niya. So, shift store C. Ayan. And then, sa right side naman, at right side, right stoke. Meron tayong 152 meters minus yung in-store natin sa A. 152 minus A. Ayan. So, meron tayong 149.235. 149.235 meters, which is store natin sa D. Shift store D. Ayan. Then, pag-minusin lang natin sila para malaman natin yung difference in elevation. So, difference in elevation is equal to yung ating in-store sa C yung ating 150.565 minus 149.235, which is ito ay nasa C, ito naman ay nasa D. So, alpha C minus D. Ayan. So, the difference in elevation is 1.33. Ayan, 1.33. 1.33 meters. And this will be our final answer. Ayun. Okay, so ganun lang siya. Kita nyo, medyo tineknikan lang natin ang store para hindi na tayo mag-type pa. Para makapag-solve tayo ng mabilis. So let's do a recap ng ating mga naging sagot. So the distance of the right slope stake yung sinasabi ko kanina. Stake. Okay. So the distance of the right slope stake from the center of the road. So meron tayong value na 7.647 meters, while the distance of the left slope stake from the center of the road is 5.652. And the difference of the elevation nung ating right slope stake at saka nung ating left slope stake ay 1.33 meters. And that's all para sa ating sample problem for today. Thank you!